Hi guys, how can you create a glowing sign effect in Photoshop like this? First, select the quick selection tool with lasso tool and make a selection around the sign area. After that, press Ctrl plus J twice to create two copies of the selection. Select the first copy and change its blending mode to overlay. Then press Ctrl plus J again to create another copy and set its blending mode to screen. Now hold the Shift key, select all three layers and convert them into a smart object. Go to blending options and enable outer glow. Note the settings as it's showing. Then open the gradient editor. Choose a basic gradient. You can pick any style, but I'll use the first one. Change the left color stop to white and keep the right color black. Press OK to apply. Now go to the adjustment layer and select Color Lookup. Open the 3D LUT file and choose Moonlight for a cinematic glow. Next, select the top layer and press Ctrl plus J to duplicate it. Go to Filter Blur Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to around 500 pixels and press OK. Now select the brush tool. Choose a soft round brush and set the size to around 600 pixels. Make sure the foreground color is black. Select the Color Lookup layer and gently brush over the area and add the glowing effect. Finally, change the blending mode to multiply if needed for a stronger look. And that's it. This is how you can create a glowing sign effect in Photoshop.